Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today is Tablescape Tuesday, hosted by those beautiful ladies of elegance, Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And today they have a special guest, and that's Gigi Faison with Styling with Gigi Faison. I will link all of their channel info along with the playlist link down in my description box. But before we get to my video, here on the Rodgers House, we give shout outs because we think it's super important to support, motivate, and encourage other inspiring YouTube creators. And today's shout out goes to that beautiful Denise from Denise Glam Style Living. Guess on her channel, she does shop with me's, shopping hauls, DIYs, and some of the most beautiful tablescapes. So please go over and support her channel, and please let her know that Felecia from the Rodgers House shouted her out today. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you my Soupin It Up video. I'll let you enjoy the video to music. So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing my Soupin It Up video, and if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. And if this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.